Hello. Another weekend dominated by outbreaks of rain and strong and gusty winds, and dominated also by a number of weather warnings that are in force even through into Monday. There's also a snow and ice warning in force across parts of Scotland for Saturday. Let's get back to Friday night's area of rain pushing south, easing for a time across southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, working across northern England and Wales where there are rain warnings in force. The ground is saturated. Extra rain falling could exacerbate the flooding problems, and the rain eventually arriving across southwest England and South Wales, but it should be fairly light by this stage. Quite a windy night in the south, but it will be a very mild night here. In contrast, as the skies start to clear across Scotland, colder air arrives so that the showers here will start to fall as snow, and they'll continue through the day across northern Scotland in particular. Could see a few centimetres of snow building up on some routes, especially above 200 to 300 metres. That could cause a bit of disruption. The winds also very lively across the whole of northern Britain, gusts of 50, 60 miles an hour around the west coast of Scotland, maybe 70 to 75 miles an hour. That could cause some disruption to ferry services and maybe affect the bridges. Further south, well, it starts a bit damp, but the rain should pull away. Some uncertainty about exactly when. It may linger over the Channel Isles, but something a bit brighter. And certainly a drier day for northern England and North Wales. Just a few showers coming in here. Temperatures, well, really quite mild across the south, 12, 13 degrees. But further north, it's going to feel cold. Temperatures only in the mid-single figures, add on that gusty wind. And it will feel distinctly chilly, which continues that chilly feel, those gusty winds into the evening. The winds slowly easing. More rain then pushes in across England, Wales and Northern Ireland. And some of this could be quite heavy, especially in South Wales. Of course, another area badly affected by flooding. So again, very sensitive. The ground here saturated, so this extra rain may cause further problems. There's another yellow warning in force for Sunday then for that rainfall. Elsewhere, it's a blustery start across Scotland, but the wind's easing a little bit. Still some wintry showers across the north. Some brighter skies in the afternoon across northern England, a few showers for Northern Ireland. Generally a dull and damp day across the south, but again, it will be mild here, whereas again, further north, it will be cold. This line of rain on Sunday is a weather front which ties into another area of low pressure, which we're watching for Sunday night and especially on Monday. Some uncertainty about the exact track and path and intensity of this low, but it is expected to bring another spell of wet and windy weather late on Sunday night and into Monday morning. It could also bring a spell of snow across parts of the north, at least for a time. That's definitely an area we need to keep a very close eye on. Stay up to date with the latest forecast. Things will develop as we go through the course of the weekend. Make sure you know if your area is being affected by a weather warning. Best way to do that is to download our app. Of course, visit our website, or you can follow the Met Office on social media.